EVE Online is just a spreadsheet, yeah.
Yeah. There's like a...
Why is that even a game?
People make money off that game too.
Yeah, because people make money off of the game, that's why it's a thing.
Yo.
Hi, are you driving?
Yes, I am.
Motherfucker.
You're supposed to be running, Odin. Bad.
Well, I had to drive to where I'm running.
Didn't actually kill them.
Should we just die and restart? I'm gonna beat this guy up. Hold on. Here we go. Go.
Oh.
Escape failed.
Shit, dude. I'm gonna have to pass this. Because there's a camp on the right.
Oh,
Shit.
Jesus. There's enemies right there.
Yep, I'm passing it.
Whoa.
Oh, well, we're dead.
Have some faith.
Oh my god, how are we still alive?
Oh no. Oh my god, we're sliding. We're drifting. Oh my god, I'm drifting.
Gas, gas, gas.
I wanna step on the gas.
All these doors and I can't open.
You know what?
Be gone, heathens!
So when you execute someone, the blood spray will appear under him.
Is that really what that is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh
It's
my
fucking dumb.
fucking god. So I can kill somebody and their blood turns into a fucking Forza advertisement?
Yes.
Never mind. Can I buy a flag? Let's buy a flag. Let's buy the Ghana flag. Because we're from Ghana. Enter to purchase. Buy it.
Ghana.
Yes, I would like to purchase iron. How much is it? 500? Let's do $10 for a Ghana flag. I don't even have this game. Can you imagine if there were 2 Yodas? That'd be wild.
I saw someone made a porn image pack of Yoda recently. I was like, what the heck? I'm sure you could pirate it on like eHentai or something. I don't know.
You just look on like a Rule 34 website that'll give you like a virus.
Yeah.
There! In the cliff! Another crash condor!
That's what I do.
Hey, how do we get over there?
Let me drive, that's how. Because you're Asian.
Oh. Get in there.
Mario kind of did the same thing to me.
Yeah.
Me too!
I don't really care. Give me the more you need.
Mike, please. Mike, please.
Huh.
Oh my god.
Eyes in the backwoods over there!
You're accelerating. Oh no. Oh my god, you're so good. Oh my god. Like, what's happening? You didn't see any of that?
Nope.
We started spinning, and then it started accelerating.
We should be teaching science.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe someday.
Oh. No. Let me try.
Okay.
Runways through here.
Hey, we gotta get back to the bridge controls! Hurry!
What do you think I'm doing?
Cheating.
Yeah, until you can't do that anymore.
Oh, it's so bad.
German, just a hand, we'll drag you.
Alright, let's go, straight! Straight,
I
right,
got ran
left.
over by everybody.
Okay, straight, right, left. Somebody else's car. Drift!
Troops, go drive. Squad leader gay, driver
I'll take
gay.
driver.
He's got it. Better driver than me. He's Asian.
Gang.
So are we supposed to be attacking this forward operating base that somebody's standing on right?
No, we're supposed to be dancing.
Oh, we are.
I'm ready to shoot.
How do I dance?
You gotta listen to the music.
Also, apparently tap brings up the map, so that sucks.
Hey, take out
Armored
fucking, the school. The sword marker.
Did you just tell us to
What do you say?
take out a school?
Repeat, Master Sergeant. Did you say take out a school full of children?
Please.
I don't want to be accused of being a school shooter, sorry.
Honestly,
Where'd you guys go? I didn't even see where you ran off to.
Roger.
We got friendly vehicle on. Friendly vehicle on the road ahead of us. Keep going.
Bye.
Just let me do it. Let me do it. Just one shot. Just all of them right now.
I'm gonna drift the corner.
Don't Tokyo drifted, dude. You can do it. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
There's another tree. There's another tree right there.
Tree.
Oh,
Tree.
another tree.
Tree. Tree.
So, what's your guys' favorite animal?
Black.
Tree.
Did you say what's your favorite animal?
Did you say black?
My favorite animal is a tree.
Oh god. What's your guys' favorite food?
Black.
I'm trying to sing, but sing something different.
That was the best. That was the best response, and I'll never be topped. Will this guy ever find a way through these woods?
Who's Soldier Boy's best friend?
Black.
I bet I'll get there before you guys do.
Bye bye,
I
Chase.
just bet I'll get there.
Bye bye. Fuck off.
He said fuck off.
Auf Wiedersehen.
What was the punchline of the
Like I
Soldier
would
Boy
say
joke?
bye bye, but he's literally right
Black.
Hey, get fucked.
here. Guys, we got contact like direct
Yeah, that thing's
north.
trying to come down, man.
Got it.
Oh! Oh.
Wait, he can't survive my battle axe.
Need a hardy Nord. So we can,
Hardy Nord.
You're gonna have to be our translator for the Nords, okay? You failed a milk drinker. He doesn't like us. I gathered that. Thank you. Tell me what you told me about the dragon. Oh yeah, that's right. What do you mean? Oh yeah, that's right. That should be foremost in your mind right now. Gosh, F&A. Is that not a pressing event?
My light almost got taken from me, but it's fine.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. How?
I almost forgot how I almost died.
So good. King.
Oh, that's not a sword, that's a... Okay.
Nice. That's a
Probably
mace.
even worse than using a maze.
Wait, what did you use?
A
Another one.
pickaxe.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Piss you. Pippin.
Caribou.
What do you want to do?
Jesus!
King.
Oh, what is this? Oh,
Wrecked. Pissed.
there's so many caribou.
Yeah. Ow!
There's like 3 times the caribou.
Back.
Oh my god.
Oh,
There's a caribou in there.
I can see that. He just fell down.
He's dead.
Oh my god.
Wrecked.
Oos.
Boom.
There's a bear over here.
Door, 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 Dora the Explorer.
Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer.
Oh my fucking god. You fucks.
Hello.
Just invite me.
Numa,